Stay tuned to the end of this video to win an incredible abrasives package, custom tailored just for your needs and tools by Norton Abrasives.
If you can't make it perfect, at least make it adjustable.
Oh no.
It's like Christmas all over. Oh, this is a VFD.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Nice.
Yeah, that's a real good looking part there.
Beautiful. And we've got everything we need in here pre-labeled and ready to go for the job. This is awesome. I didn't have to dig through bolt bins. We even got Nord-Lock washers on it. Direct bolt and supply, guys. Link in the description. All right. So 4-pole motor. She's going to have a lot of torque. She's going to maintain her torque in the low side as opposed to going with a 3,200 RPM motor or 3,000 plus RPM motor right off the bat. We can adjust all that and still keep our torque. All right, we're cutting the feet now. We have our tops and our sides ready to go. Ready?
It was the aluminum shim was falling apart. It drug it all the way out.
Bam! Slides like butter, baby. That's nice. This old Norton Blaze. Now, without question, my little snap-on die grinder is pretty darn cool. The reality is, it just doesn't have the power of your air grinder, especially this Norton. This guy's a beast, and she removes some material pretty quick. I'll show you the difference.
Various brackets. There's actually a few of them on here. We're gonna get that stuff set up and ready to cut out of this plate.
How big is it though? She's different. She looks at least like 1900 square feet.
Well, I'm to that point where something's actually about to start happening. So Brooks and I fabricated and cut all these pieces out, and I've been cleaning them up, and I had to cut a couple extras out today, and I'm just getting to the point where I'm ready to set it all up and start tacking it in place. We're gonna set this roughly where it goes. Oh, so glorious. So we have to make sure that this bar is dead center with this post. Pretend you just saw me tack it. Very happy. We got rotation. Alright, let's loosen that bad boy. Jeremy, you did a heck of a job, brother. I'm telling you what, this design is so cool. So anyway, there you go. This just flops around like that. Okay, while you guys weren't looking, I went ahead and built this component here. Now here's the thing, this is where the wheels mount, right? These are threaded holes right here, and they have to be perfect. They need to be perfectly square with the face, okay? This thing is very, very square, and on a flat surface, no rocking, no nothing like that. It's really, really solid. I want you to look at my weak tap setup. I'm gonna use this bar Z square to show you this. That sucker is just bent. Look, it's just bent, and this is for a smaller tap. It's all I have, right? A lot of you guys are like me, you don't have the best tools. So I've got to make sure that somehow, while I'm tapping this thing stays straight. Well, that's where these guys come in. These are drill and tap guides, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to pick the standard out, and we're going to go to 1/2 inch. And then we're going to clamp this down right here on top of our hole, and then that's going to guide me, sorry, not 7/16, 1/2 inch, that's going to guide my tap. Now, these are harder than any tap you have, they're harder than any drill, you got the drill guides as well, and also they'll work on any surface. It's got a groove cut in the back to where if you need to come in and cut, you know, I don't care where you're putting it, on a flat surface, on an angled surface, or even on a round surface. If you need to drill a hole, you're going to be able to clamp that down and drill a hole perfectly straight through it. Sweet. There you go, guys. Big Gator Tools. I'll put a link in the description. Jay Sanderling, Blue Feather Forge, sharing the past for the integrity of the future. Got me some really nice gloves. They're reinforced rubber right here, very flexible. Kevlar lining too, and it's super soft. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much, brother. And then he's put, Justin, thanks for doing what you do. Man, thanks. I couldn't do this stuff without you guys' support. Like literally, if you didn't watch these videos, I wouldn't be here. I really, really just want y'all to know how much I appreciate it, and stuff like this means so much to me. ANSI A5 cut resistant, ANS3 puncture resistant, and I think I can fight a grizzly bear now. I'm really excited. These are awesome. All right, guys, this is going to be a two-parter. Next one will be out in a couple days. No big deal. If you want to win that awesome stockpile of Norton sandpaper, here's what you're going to do. Subscribe to the Norton YouTube channel, and I'm going to put a link in the description, and on the video, in that link, I want you guys to leave a comment. Tell them that we sent you over there, and tell them what you think about the channel. I'm going to use a random comment picker. We're going to pick a winner, and then I'm going to personally communicate with that particular winner, and we're going to figure out exactly what their abrasive needs are, and I'm going to build a package for you guys. It's going to be pretty cool. Who knows? Maybe I'll even find a couple extra tools. You never know. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and get over to Norton right now and click on that. Next belt grinder video is coming up, and guys, this thing's a beaut. It's awesome. All right, take it easy.